One day, James went heaven for neon, splendid great engine. One day, an engine would have came off would believe it. The great flags, leaving, sure stuffing boiling, sure stumping wheels. And he's a great engine. He's a double five for tender. Carville, and his name is James. Splendid great engine. Yeah. James, love and believe it, so for the island of Sodor. Awaken her husband. For the Napoleon coaches. For the coaches, the passengers will go as believe it. But Thomas was not crazy. They pulled trucks and played tricks. We'll believe it, James. They'll believe it. We'll believe in when it should event. Then we'll believe it. When he reached the top of the hill to believe it. Then the coaches said, Ben, there was trouble. His James believed it. He was out of control. When his driving went just, here, help me, I can't stop. Oh my, said the person. I helped you, James. You're coming, James. And you guys believe in for James. And the driver would apply the brakes. Thank you, Edward, for saving me. Welcome, James. This is like friends believe it when they do it. Oh. Yes, believe it. And I believe it. One day, Percy will have its train. I waited for the top of the hill, but the train with the railway is bigger. Oh, come on. And ended with nothing from young, nothing away. But then, a car is broke. Suddenly, it was a ghost. But we have to go on, said. The driver Edward looked too and looked back and hurry, hurry, Edward, hurry! His boy break way. The trucks and Jesus. Trucks. I'll believe in fleeing faster. What's that, Edward? The truck's coming for me. The copy snack leaving. The train will even was faster. Express coming through. Gordon, look out! Oh no! No, this is not believing. No! Luckily, no one was hurt. Edward left crash off the rails. The night, when I believe in Percy and Gordon and Jane and Edward and Percy were keeping on for a shed. How would I do believe it? That was low, Edward. Do I believe in for you? The big express engine talking the way. I so believe it, Edward. I always believe it. That's right. Would I believe it? Of course it is. Oh, please. No, I will so. Alfred Thomas. I will. Thomas. Thomas! This password is a railway from the Vicar's Town. But then oh my God, oh my God. I believe in Gordon. They stopped the station. Everyone believed it. Then they saw Percy. What's that belief? Percy. Oh, Thomas. So believing. There's a real believing exploded. But I could believe it. Now? Yes. When I believe it would happen for Doc and Toby. Well, Toby exploded. Doc wouldn't believe it for when every outside would distracts. That's when I about in the house. No, Thomas. Oh, okay, believe it. So, what do you have today? No. Ha, we'll believe it. Wait, see. You will not cross me? No. The number one idea on it was cross for Edward. Yes, believe it. I know cross for you. Okay. And what happened to ducks? And what happened to Gordon? All of the belief is belief. For belief for duck belief. Next day, he saw. The next day, I believe all of them wouldn't believe it. It was back in the station. But see if Gordon asked what happened. Oh, exploded even. It's up something in the current and the same believe it. Two angels felt believe it. And Emily and Clara Bell very believe it. And the coach and the nurse will believe the emergency came. Sure like this? Yes. What's that? That's my pistol. Believe it. Wait, is that? I don't believe for salt, but I think believe it was planted you. The study had all the world, but I don't believe it. even because imagine story time.